Namaste class 11th, welcome to Math Shala of TAV. Let's take the next step in sets, and our next step is operation on sets. In this topic we are going to do union of sets, intersection of two sets, difference of two sets, disjoint set, complement of sets, and let's start with union of two sets. Union of sets. Filhal, we are taking the example of two sets. So, see, I have taken the example help of this Venn diagram. See, this rectangle represent all the streams in class 11, and see, this is non-medical, subjects in non-medical, subjects in commerce stream. So, in non-medical, let us say we have physics, chemistry, English and maths. These are the four subjects we have in this stream. And in commerce, let us say we have stream, in this stream we have subjects accounts, business studies, English and mathematics. So if we represent, see this is the Venn diagram. Non-medical represented by capital N, commerce represented by capital C. अगर हम इसको ऐसे represent करें, then this set N has element physics, chemistry, maths, English, and commerce has element, this set has element A, this accounts, B stands for business studies, E for English, M for maths. So, and the same, these roster form can be represented in set builder form. Here, non-medical, the set N has element X, where X is the subject in non-medical, and set C, X is the subject in commerce. ये तो ही सब पुरानी बात. Now, what is the union of two sets? This ulta U stands for this सीधा U stands for union. So, union of these two sets represent what? All those elements which are either in set N or in set C. Either in set N or in set C means we can take elements C, P, M, E, A, B. See, all the elements of this set either they belong to set N or they belong to set C or they belong to both. But हम उसको repeat नहीं करने वाले. M and E are in both the sets N and C, but we will write only one time. And if we write it in set builder form, then it becomes what? Union of two sets is again a set. It is again a set which contains element X, where X is what? X belong to set N or this or ध्यान रखेंगे or X belongs to C. This or has its meaning here. और ही लिखना है आपको और जरा ध्यान में रखना है इसको. So, if we represent it with the help of Venn diagram, what is the union of two sets? It contains element of either of this set or of this set, N, C. So, it means the whole is shaded. This shade represent the union of two sets. So, in other way we can say, if X is an element which belongs to the union of two sets, set लिया हमने M and C, it implies X belongs to N or X belongs to C or both. But or both हम ऐसे लिखेंगे नहीं, either in N or in C. Now let's take the another one. What is the intersection of two sets? Intersection means element which are in both the sets. कौन-कौन से elements हैं? Which are in non-medical as well as in commerce. कौन-कौन से ऐसे subjects हैं? Maths, English. So it represent what? N intersection C. Intersection के लिए जो notation डलती है that is उल्टा U. Intersection. So N intersection C contains these elements V, and if we write it in set builder form, it is what? It has element X, where X belongs to what? N, and बिलोंग्स टू C, दोनों को बिलोंग करता है। और वेन डायग्राम से इसको कैसे दिखाएंगे? सी, दिस इज यूनिवर्सल सेट N C. This portion denotes the intersection of two sets M. So intersection is always a small set, union is always a broad set. सबसे बड़ा सेट यूनियन का होता है and it is the intersection. Small intersection is always C, N intersection C उल्टा is always a subset of N C. N का भी सबसेट होगा, C का भी सबसेट होगा, but every set is a subset of its union. जैसे यहाँ पर हम ये कह सकते हैं, you can be right here, N is a subset of N union C. C is also a subset of N union C. We'll take in the next step. Find out A union B, A intersection C, and find out B minus C, find out A minus B, B minus A. So A minus we have not, I have not explained. With the help of example only, I will explain you what is the difference between two sets. So what is the union of these two sets A union B? See, according to the definition, union of two sets has all those elements which are either in set A or in set B. So in set A we have element 1, 2, 3. In set B we have 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 we have already taken. So that it is not required to repeat the element. See, every element of this set A union B is either it is in set A or is in set B. So what is the intersection of these two sets? A intersection C. A intersection C. Intersection means the element which are in set A as well as in set C. So which are those elements? See, only 2 is there which is present in both the sets. So A intersection C is a subset of A also, it is subset of C also. And B union, A union B, see, A is a subset of A union B and B is also a subset of A union B. Now let's find out what is A intersection B. A intersection B is what? Which are the common element in both the sets? In these two sets? Only 3. Is there any element common in these two sets? B intersection C? Yes. कौन से हैं? 4 and 6 present in. Now let's come to what is B minus C. That is known as difference of two sets. दो sets का difference. इसको Venn diagram से भी देख लेते हैं. B C. Now B minus C is this portion. If this is B, this is C. B minus C is this portion. Means those elements which are in B but not in C. जो C में नहीं है, सिर्फ B में है. That is only B. So कौन से एलिमेंट है जरा देखिए, which are in B but not in C. See, 3 yes C में नहीं है, 4 no it is there in C also, 5 yes it is not there in C, 6 it is there in C. So what are the elements left in B minus C? It is 3 and 5. अच्छा चलो next भी देखते हैं, C minus B क्या होगा? Those element which belongs to C but not in B. इसको जरा ऐसे लिखें, definition से लिखें. It contains element X. X belongs to C and X does not belong to B. तो अब इसका solution देखेंगे तो क्या आएगा? जो C में तो है but B में नहीं है. C में है 2, 6 B में है, so only 2 is there. So you can see from this example that B minus C is not same as C minus A. Whereas you can find that you can verify from here that A union B is same as B union A. It is commutative. Union is commutative. Intersection is also commutative. A intersection B is same as B intersection A, but difference of two sets is not commutative. इसकी properties detail में हम बाद में करेंगे. अभी for the timing we can verify this property with the help of this example. So let's move to, so we have done the definition of difference of two sets. Move to disjoint sets. When the sets are disjoint, when there is no joint between the two. इसको अभी देखते हैं जरा से. Let's take the help of Venn diagram. When there is no joint between the two sets, then these are known as disjoint sets. See, if it is a set of real number, set of rational number, set of irrational number, we know that there is nothing common between the two sets, set of rational number and irrational number. When there is nothing common between the two sets, then those sets are known as disjoint set. Means their intersection is empty. A and B are disjoint sets if A intersection B is empty set. There is no element common between the two sets. Those sets are disjoint sets. Example आपको दिया. Now complement of a set we have already done in the previous video. Complement of a set Venn diagram से देखेंगे तो क्या होगा? If it is a universal set, it is set A, then the elements which are in universal sets but not in the set itself, those sets, that set is known as complement of a set. See, shaded portion is the A complement. So A complement